Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Practice English Naturally. I'm Alex, and beside me is Maya. Today, we are diving into one of the most useful topics for anyone learning English, shopping. You shop every week, maybe every day. Clothes, vegetables, shoes, snacks, anything. And when you know simple English phrases, shopping becomes easy, friendly, and fun.
Hi friends, I'm so happy you're here with us. Shopping English is great because you can use it anywhere. Store, market, mall, supermarket, or online. And don't worry, we'll keep everything very simple, very natural, and very friendly. Even if your English level is A1 or A2, you will understand everything. Just relax and listen like you're sitting with us.
Yes, that's the goal. Today we're not teaching English, today we're talking English. You'll feel like you're inside a real shopping conversation. And as always, you can repeat after us or just listen. Both are great.
Okay, Alex, let's start with something easy. Imagine you walk into a store. What's the first thing you do?
Honestly, I look around. I always do that. I never know what I want. I just enter and think, what should I buy? And sometimes I buy nothing.
Yes, same. I walk in and think I will buy one small thing, and then I see something cute, and suddenly I want 10 things, especially in clothing stores.
That is true. I have seen Maya shopping. She says, I only need socks. And then we come out with a bag full of clothes.
Hey, socks are important, okay? But jokes apart, when we enter a store, a very common English sentence we hear is, "Hello, how can I help you?" This is something every shop worker says.
Exactly. And if you want to answer politely, just say, I'm just looking. Thank you. This is the easiest and most natural answer.
Yes, very friendly, very simple. You don't need big grammar, I'm just looking.
So, Maya, let's pretend we are in a clothing store. You be the customer, I'll be the shop assistant.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm just looking, thank you.
Sure. Let me know if you need anything.
Perfect. That's exactly what a real conversation sounds like.
And if you do need something, you can say, do you have this in medium? Can I try this? Where's the trial room?
And my favorite, do you have another color? Because, Alex, I love clothes, but mostly I love colors.
You really do. Maya loves color the way kids love candy.
Colors make people happy. But anyway, let's continue. Many learners get nervous when someone asks, what size are you? It feels personal.
Yes, but it's not a big thing. You can answer simply, small, medium, large, extra large.
If you don't know your size, you can say, I'm not sure. Can you help me?
And they will help you. That is their job. Okay, Maya, let's act out a natural scene again. You want to buy a t-shirt.
Okay.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What size do you need?
I think medium.
Sure. Here are some options. You can try them in the trial room over there.
Thank you.
Boom. Simple, natural. And now let's move to supermarkets. Maya, what do you buy first in a supermarket?
Snacks. Always snacks. Chips, cookies, chocolate. My heart says yes.
I knew it. And friends, in a supermarket, you often need simple, useful sentences like, where are the eggs? Where can I find rice? Is this fresh? How much is this?
Yes. How much is this is super important. You can use it anywhere, even in the street market.
Street markets have the best conversations. They're friendly and lively. Let's do a street market scene.
Okay.
Hi, how much are the apples?
They're $2 a kilo.
Do you have fresh ones?
Yes, these are fresh.
Great. I'll take 1 kilo.
Perfect.
See, no complicated grammar. Real-life English is not textbook English.
Yes, people don't talk like textbooks. They talk simple, short, friendly English, and that's what we want you to learn.
Maya, let's move to another situation, paying, because payment conversations are also simple.
Yes, when the cashier says, cash or card, you can answer, card please, or cash please.
And when you pay by card, they sometimes say, please tap your card. Please enter your PIN. Please sign here.
And if the bill is big and you want to sound polite, you can say, can I check the price again? Very normal, not rude.
Yes, money is important. Always check.
So, Alex, imagine we're at the cashier.
Okay.
Hello, did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
That will be $20.
Card, please.
Please tap your card. Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay, Maya. Now we go to the price tag part. I look at the tag and I say, how much is this?
Beginners must know. How much is this is the king of shopping sentences.
Absolutely. And the assistant says, it's 799 rupees.
Now, many beginners want to say too much, but don't know how. Here are easy ways. It's a little expensive. Do you have something cheaper? What is the best price? Is there any discount?
I ask, is there any discount?
Assistant says yes, 10% off.
Good deal. So I say, okay, I will take it.
Now we walk into the shoes area because no shopping trip is complete without shoes.
Right. So I see a pair of white sneakers. I pick them up and say, these look nice.
And I check the size and say, do they have your size?
I read the label, this is size 42. I need size 43.
So ask like this. Excuse me, do you have size 43 in this style?
Assistant checks and says, yes sir, 1 minute. Then he brings the box.
You open the box and try the shoe. Now what do you say?
I stand up, walk a few steps and say, they feel comfortable or they are a little loose.
If comfortable, buy. If loose, try another size. So simple.
Maya, now let's do something many people are shy to do. Ask for suggestions.
Yes, say these sentences. Which one do you recommend? Which one looks better? Is this good quality? Does this color suit me?
These are life-saving lines.
Totally. And they make your English sound confident.
Okay, Maya. Now we go to the billing counter. What does the cashier say?
The cashier usually says, did you find everything? Do you want a paper bag? Do you want to pay by cash or card?
My answers, yes, I found everything. Yes, please give me a bag. Card, please.
Simple, real, useful.
Maya, let's go to a supermarket now.
Perfect. We enter. Fresh vegetables, fruits, bakery smell, big aisles.
I look at tomatoes and say, are these fresh?
Vegetable staff says, yes sir, very fresh.
Then I ask, how much per kilo?
Staff replies, 60 rupees per kilo.
I say, okay, give me 1 kilo.
Great. Then we walk to the fruit section.
I pick up bananas and say, these look good. Are they ripe? The staff says, yes, they are sweet. I say, okay, I'll take this bunch. Maya, I want oats. I can't find oats.
Then ask, excuse me, where can I find oats?
Assistant says, aisle number 3.
Easy English that works everywhere.
Now we go to the shampoo section. So many brands.
You pick one and say, is this good for dry hair?
If assistant says yes, I say, okay, I'll try this.
See, natural talking.
Cashier says, do you need a bag?
You say, yes please.
Cashier says, do you have a loyalty card?
You say, no, I don't.
And finally, can I pay by UPI?
Cashier says, yes you can.
Now, let's go to a street market. It's loud, colorful, full of energy.
Vendors shouting, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, best price. Buy one, get one free.
I look at a t-shirt stall and ask, how much for this one?
Seller says, 300 rupees.
I say, can you give me a better price?
Seller says, 250 last price.
I smile and say, okay, done. Now let's buy gifts for a friend. We enter a gift shop.
I look at a mug and say, this is cute. How much is it?
Shopkeeper says, 350 rupees. I say, do you have something under 300?
He shows another one. This is 280.
I say, perfect. I will take this.
Gift wrapping is important. Here's how to ask. Can you gift wrap this?
Shopkeeper says, yes, 20 rupees.
You say, okay, please wrap it.
Acha Maya, now let's show how two friends talk during shopping.
Yes, so I ask you, do you like this shirt?
I reply, yes, the color is nice.
Then I ask, should I buy it?
I say, yes, it looks good on you.
Natural, friendly, useful.